우리 다시 만나 one of these nights. Okay, I have less than 4 minutes to do this chatty feed. Running out of time. Anyways, hi, welcome to another frequent quote unquote daily vlog. Is July the 17th. You probably already seen a couple of clips of me working. Today we finish reading and annotating the last chapter and a half that I had left for the first book in the fake dating series for Sally. Um, and I am getting ready to switch to keep drafting chapter 3 of the reader magnet for Sally. I I did uh, unnecessary shenanigan research of things that I shouldn't be researching because it's just gonna make my life more difficult because it will mean more work for me. And I already have a very small play with a lot of things in it. So, so yeah, uh, I need to stop my own shenanigans. Anyways, um, that has been done. Honestly, right now, what I have for the rest of the week, the priorities will be finishing chapter 3 of the reader magnet, the drafting, and do the read through, the read out loud of the first 10 chapters of the holiday romance. um, it will be okay if I start implementing the revisions for the short romance during the weekend or early next week. But we shall see. I also will have to go to work on Friday when it was supposed to be my day off, but it's just we have so much to do that I have to like find 4 to 5 hours, which will be okay because that's again money for polishing all of these things. Um, so yeah, let me stop talking because I have a tickle on my throat and it's causing all this cough. But yeah, hopefully we will be able to write more in chapter 3. And the ball is rolling, which I am feeling much better. I am again feeling excited about this, and I am slowly feeling energized. So yeah, let's keep the blogs going and keep the ball rolling, and we're crossing our fingers to not get sick anymore. So yeah, I'll see you on the next clip. So I once again forgot to do a closing clip. So we are at the part time. Um, so I did not write that many words. I think I added like 40 words to chapter 3. I instead made spicy fried rice for that last sprint at JC Stream. And then I I left before 12 a.m. so I didn't stay that long backstage. So yeah. Um I so what did I do? I added around 40 words to chapter 3. I finished reading and making notes for chapter 7 and what I have for chapter 8 for that first book in the series that I'm trying to, write for Sally. And yeah, that's what I did. We shall see what we get on today, but as in the 18, you will be seeing this probably today, the 18, and then I'll start a new vlog. You know what, like daily freaking blogs work. Why am I explaining this to you? Yeah. So, yeah, let me close it. Let me stop being like, what else did I do? That's what I did. That's it. So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you enjoy writing blogs, chatty videos, I usually stream on Sundays around 3 p.m. Eastern, and I also run the Romance Writers Room, which is a spin-off of the Writers Room run by Tiffany Russell, Morgan Lee, and Barry Laurie. If you like any of those things, please do subscribe to the channel. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Why closing this vlog is so awkward. Anyways, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.